early morning. Managed to get my butt out of bed before midday, so I'm not going to bake today. It's a bit cloudy, so turn you around. So this is Phetchaburi. Not sure if there's sort of a market's on every day, all day, but we'll try and get over here without getting run over. Show you some of the things on offer. Everything from cakes, cloves, etc. Loads of fruit and veggies, eggs. Hopefully, might be able to get some rambutan, which has been sadly lacking at the moment. We've got durian, if you like durian. Big bags of chilies. Sawadee cup. Sawadee cup, อะไรนะ สบายดีไหม
Hello คืออะไร
อะไรนะ
Hello คืออะไร
คืออะไรกับผมชื่อริชาร์ดครับชื่ออะไร
ชื่ออะไรชื่ออะไร
ชื่ออะไร
ทางชื่อไม้
สวัสดีครับไม้สบายดีไหม
สบายดี
good ดีมาก
อันนู้นชื่อไม้นี่จะขาวอันนี้ชื่อลอย
น้อยไม้ข้าวโอเคครับ Everyone's all having a bit of fun, speaking some Thai. That's about the abilities of my Thai, but there we go. I'd say this is a wet market, a lot of vegetables, animals, big pile of crabs, in case you like bala, prawns, different size, mussels, etc. Dead fish. Nice, dead fish. Howdy cup. One thing I wouldn't buy here is a lot of meat. It sort of sits around in the heat with flies on, etc., etc. Probably be okay for the dog, but when you've got chicken carcasses, etc., sitting out in the heat. Sawadee cup. Yes, lots of dead meat. Alloy. I think I'm getting a few strange looks and everything else. Probably don't see many foreigners down this neck of the woods. It's more of a Thai market, but interesting. Hopefully you'll find it interesting. That's a nice squid. Good sized prawns. Don't know why you want to bring a car down here, but we'll carry on. I think it's like election day today. There's people advertising. Oops, can you get run over by a motorbike? So let's have a wander. See what we can find. A nice looking garlic. Dead fish. Bamboo. Lots of bamboo, shredded bamboo and pickled cabbage and pickled bamboo. So if if you want your veggies, this is probably a good place to come. It will be cheap. Cheap as chilies. Not much is going to be sort of more than 10 baht. And you think 15 baht a kilo for, I think it's 15 baht a kilo for small cucumbers. Tamarind. Blood mussels, which apparently are not good for eating. Seems to be a large prosthetic appendage sticking up. Dead chicken. Still haven't seen any rambutan. Catfish, crab. Hello, Saudi Cup. How are you? Sabai Mai? Fine. Good. Speak much English?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Ah. Do you know if there's any rambutan? Rambutan.
Rambutan.
Mhm.
You?
I want some.
Oh.
Have you seen? No have. I thought season. I thought April season for rambutan. Maybe it was sold to China.
It's 2 months.
In 2 months?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I will look out for it. Thank you, Cup and Cap. Right. So, looks like we're after June. I thought it was around April time, but there you go. I am wrong. Let these people go by. They're very friendly here, despite seeing the camera. Oh, lots of curry paste. Green, red, yellow. The smell fills your nostrils with spice. Seems to be a bit of a bottleneck here on the dodgy processed sausage front. I used to buy this, but not any longer. So okay, that's out of another. Interesting. Fresh fish. Catfish. I had catfish curry yesterday. Prawn. Tilapia. Still alive, still flapping. And yeah, all sorts. Right. Let's continue. Up there is the White Temple, and maybe we will have a look in a while. Bit of a crowd at the moment, the motorbikes. Something definitely going on today, don't know what. Let's have a look at some more dead fish, or not so dead fish. So yeah, boxes of dead fish. Yummy, yummy. Wouldn't buy them. If I'm going to buy fish like that, I would buy them still alive. Okay. Let's get out of the way. I think I'm taking someone's parking spot. Right, cross over without getting run over. Okay, have a look up here. It's all very sort of dark and gloomy. Looks a bit like one of the souks in Marrakesh. But there we go. So meat. Meat and meat. Dried fish. Lots of dried fish. Lots of different size dried fish. Prawns, all different size. Shrimp to go in pad thai, etc. Dried cuttlefish and squid. Blimey. Tons of it. More curry paste, lime juice, bottled lime juice. I'm not been giving you prices because maybe you can sort of see $2.20 for prawns, $2.40, $2.80 for the biggish ones. So yeah, and again, it's not an expensive place like this. Phetchaburi is the city of gastronomy, apparently. So there's lots of stuff to buy, all pickled and pickled bamboo, cabbage, and everything, anything and everything, and all dried fish, dried shrimp. Catapults, if you want a catapult, I suppose, keep the mice away. Everything, dried food, plastic bags, more dead fish. Right, oh, bit of a gap, right. Lots of fish here, because we're not far from the sea here, so there is a big sort of fishing community. But yeah, all types of fish. I'm not sure what they are. I've got red tilapia, mullet, still alive, carp, clams, jackfish. Here you've got more fish, more prawns. More stuff at the market there. I think I'm going to be out of luck for the rambutan today, but there was some nice looking fish over here. Look quite nice, fresh with flounders. Nice steak, it's nice and fresh. I had a nice curry yesterday. I think it was with catfish. Right, let's have a wander up. Sort of repeats itself. I suppose you have a favourite seller. So if you want chicken, there's loads of chicken vendors and pork and vegetable vendors and chili pastes, etc. thrown in there. The odd shop selling clothes and knickknacks and accessories, soaps, yeah, random talcum powder and washing powder. You buy any bathing equipment you need, want, fancy. Okay, more dead fish, oh, nice tuna. Right, let's go into the dark. More meat, again, no refrigeration, so I probably wouldn't buy it. I'd prefer to buy it at Macro. Having a bit more sanitary. Mussels, crabs, horseshoe crabs, blue swimming crabs. I think we're nearly at the end of the wet market. So, oh, I've seen these little dead ones on the beach after the guy's been fishing. But yeah, not short of fish here. Different sizes. I'm sure probably some of them will be undersized. Not good for the replenishment of the species, because a lot they just take anything, any size and every size. Still alive. Catfish upside down. Having a sleep probably. Before he gets his head boshed. And all pickled stuff. I bought stuff from here before and it was very very yummy. I mean, how do they get that so green? I'm not sure what it is, but it's quite tasty. Right, let's go back on the main road. There's rambutan. Look at this. Piles of rambutan. I'd hate to think how much he's charging for rambutan a kilo, but we may have to buy some. Hello, cup. How cup? 1 kilo 80 baht. Okay. Oh, pang mak. Pang. Pang. But 80 baht, about £2 a kilo. Normally it's about 30 baht a kilo. So I think I can wait for a month or so. It's obviously the first punch of the season and no one else is selling. So yeah, unless you're really desperate for rambutan. Right, I'm going to try to get over the road and go into that place, which is the Riverside Market. So let's get over without being run over.